Well, today we're here with Joyce Oberdorf, President and CEO of the National Parkinson Foundation. And Joyce, can you briefly explain to us what your role in the Parkinson's community is?
I've been head of the National Parkinson Foundation for 7 years now, and in the Parkinson's community for about 13. And my role is to run the organization, run all of our programs, and part of that is I spend a lot of time with families and people affected personally with Parkinson's.
And what is the mission of the National Parkinson Foundation?
Our mission is to make life better for people with Parkinson's, making life better today through improving care and making life better tomorrow through research.
And can you explain how the National Parkinson Foundation has been involved with the World Parkinson Congress?
We have been at the World Parkinson Congress from the very first time. In Washington, D.C., we followed it around the world to Glasgow, back to Montreal, and we look forward to Portland in 2016. We are a huge supporter of WPC. We think it's the one event that brings everybody in the community together, patients, researchers, so crucial for those communities really to get together and help solve this thing.
How will the National Parkinson Foundation be involved with WPC in 2016?
NPF continues to be a major supporter of WPC. It is one of our favorite events, and we will be there with bells on. We will have a booth, we will have giveaways, and all kinds of information and resources to help people live their better lives now with Parkinson's and help support families and caregivers. We will also support a lot of our researchers. In fact, this is a coming together event that we use in our own programming to bring together and have meetings of some of our key research initiatives. So we intend to leverage off of the WC presence for that.
Great. And Joyce, what are you most hopeful about for the future? As it stands with the Parkinson's community, with Parkinson's research?
I think if we could fast forward and look into the future, we would be surprised at how optimized care and treatment will become. That is something that is very important, and we are working on very much at NPF to optimize treatment in the here and now. We've already seen that the best care can make a difference of about 7 years in the average progression. So we think that if we were to look forward 5 or 10 years from now, our hope for the future is that so many people with Parkinson's are receiving expert care and the very best care that helps extend their lives and makes Parkinson's more of a chronic condition than the debilitating condition that it is now. I will also say that on a personal level, I've been in this community for nearly 15 years, and the level of in-depth knowledge where streams of research are coming together and really forming a solid picture of what exactly is the biology of Parkinson's, what are the mechanisms that underlying the scientific and clinical progression of the disease, is really happening at a pace like never before. And I am hopeful that these will lead to new therapeutic options in Parkinson's that we have never seen before.
Right.
The National Parkinson Foundation will do whatever it takes to beat Parkinson's. Be a trailblazer. Come to Portland for the World Parkinson Congress in 2016. We'll be there. You need to be there too. Help beat Parkinson's.